Packs of gray wolves once roamed freely in the northern Rocky Mountains. When Yellowstone National Park was founded in 1872, large numbers of wolves lived in parklands in Idaho, Wyoming, and Montana. Then large numbers of people moved west, settling in the wolves' habitat. Ranchers sought to drive the wolves out by hunting and poisoning them, because the wolves threatened their livestock. The gray wolf population dwindled rapidly, one of the greatest wildlife tragedies in our nation's history. By 1926, the last gray wolf in Yellowstone National Park had been killed. A disastrous ripple effect occurred when the wolves disappeared. The Yellowstone food chain lost important links. Because the wolf was absent, countless animals either starved or were hunted by other animals whose populations had grown out of control. Today, scientists and wildlife experts are committed to an ongoing effort to reintroduce the gray wolf in Yellowstone. The reintroduction of the gray wolf is an amazing success story. This story provides a glimpse into the fascinating relationships among humans, wild animals, and plant life. It also offers a look at how humans may be creating future natural disasters by invading natural environments today. The gray wolf is a keystone predator. Keystone predators play a critical role in maintaining the balance of species. Wolves naturally hunt and kill animals, occasionally leaving a carcass for scavenging animals to eat. Wolverines, bald eagles, and golden eagles eat the carcasses left by wolves. Whenever wolves are present, scavengers are supplied with food. When wolves disappear, these other animals suffer because their food sources have vanished. When wolves vanish from an area, a different kind of disaster affects their prey, a population explosion. Wolves naturally prey on coyotes. Without the wolves, the coyote population increases. The increased numbers of coyotes feed more widely on their own natural prey, such as weasels and foxes. Populations of those animals then dwindle, yet another blow to the balance of nature. Wolves keep many herds in balance. Animals like elk, deer, and bison get their food by grazing on grass, trees, and other plants. Without wolves around, the number of grazing animals grows, and these animals strip the habitat of native plants. In a balanced natural environment, the gray wolf has a crucial job to help maintain the balance of animal species and the health of plants and trees. In 1995 and 1996, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service began to reintroduce gray wolves to Yellowstone National Park. Since the reintroduction, the ecosystem has improved. Wolves have been feeding on elk. With fewer elk around, native plants are left alone to grow and flourish. Animals such as grizzly bears are now thriving because they can eat the carcasses left behind by wolves. Each step helps restore the chain of nature. Not everyone supported the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone. Ranchers who raised sheep and cattle near Yellowstone were afraid that wolves would eat their livestock. However, this fear is not playing out in reality. More than 400,000 cattle and sheep are kept on ranches in the area. One scientist estimates that since wolves have returned, they have killed only about 10 of those animals per year. The region is also benefiting economically. The wolves' return has sparked an increase in tourism. People want to see these incredible creatures and hear their chilling howls in the wind. Businesses near Yellowstone National Park are making money selling gray wolf t-shirts and other souvenirs. Estimates show that the return of the gray wolf has brought more than $20 million of revenue to the region. Today, Yellowstone National Park is home to at least 300 wolves. Another 360 live in central Idaho. Despite these growing numbers, the gray wolf is still an endangered species in 47 states. Wolves are in danger of becoming extinct in the United States. The progress made in Yellowstone is only the beginning. Citizens nationwide must continue supporting the Yellowstone Wolf Project and push for the launch of similar projects in other regions of the United States. The wolf's plight in the last century shows us that humans must take great care when interfering with nature. The human footprint on the natural world has far-reaching effects that can prove disastrous. Day by day, season by season, the Wolf Project in Yellowstone National Park is correcting the mistakes of the past. This program must remain the highest priority on the nation's wildlife agenda.